Hello. This is a finishing product. Oh, it's done. My chicken tomato. Oh, look great. Wow, it's so nice. Smell only nice. Wow. Just a little bit more because the potato is still not soft, but the chicken is cooked already, so just boil a little bit. Yeah, oh my god, it's so nice. I can't wait to eat. Very nice. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so nice. Well guys, I'm happy. You know, when you are cooking, you should have the mood. If your mood is not good, then you don't cook, because it will not turn good. It will not turn delicious. But if you are on the mood, the food is great. Wow. Just now I just tasted. Oh my gosh. It's so yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm gonna taste again because I'm gonna check if the potato is cooking. Wow, look at that, so nice. Wow, nice, delicious. So guys, it's me, GMCORA. This is my chicken tomato. Wow, very nice. Look at that. Wow. I didn't cover up because I'm filming it, so I can't wait to eat. Guys, this one you can eat by bread and also with rice. You can eat with rice. Yeah. So guys, can't wait to eat now. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay. Bye.